Let's be honest, college is not cheap anymore. You guys want to wear the best clothes, want to wear the best shoes, want to party, want to go for those coffee dates, want to travel. And all of these things are going to make your pocket money vanish in thin air. See guys, whenever I'm talking to my students, they always tell me, Kavach, bhaiya samajh hi nahi aa raha, hamara paisa jata kahan hai? We are always on Splitwise trying to understand where have we made the expenditure, but we just have no answer because things have gone really expensive. And at the same time, so has the demand. Everybody is aspiring to do something bigger, better electronic gadgets, better shoes, better coffee dates. And this is very well understandable when you are in college. See guys, the only solution that I have here is please earn while you are studying. Yes guys, this is the only way you can balance it out. See, trying to unnecessarily put pressure on your parents or sending more pocket money does not make any sense. See, I'll be very honest with you, when we were in college, right, there was hardly any awareness about making money while you're in college. That time only students who went abroad, whether to Australia or to Canada or to UK, they were doing part-time jobs with studying. But in India, all the students were literally just going to college and then coming back home and chilling and spending money only. But you guys have the option, because in today's time, because of so much awareness and so much of hustle culture which is there building up in our country, everybody wants to make good money and they don't want to wait. See guys, I'm talking to my students and it brings me so much happiness when I see them making 30 to 1 lakh rupees a month. Yes guys, these are real figures that I'm talking to you. See, obviously there will always be students who will not give a damn about doing the side hustles and all that, and they're just chilling. But at the same time, there are students who are even making more than 1 lakh, but 30,000 rupees to 1 lakh is a decent amount of money that you can make each month with good amount of side hustles. And obviously I'm not telling you to work like 24 hours a day and all that. At the same time, this does not require insane amount of knowledge. It doesn't mean that you need to be the smartest in the room to make this kind of money. All you need to have are two very important skills. Number one are observatory skills and number two are execution skills. See guys, India is the land of free, which means there are ideas available free of cost, literally in thousands and lakhs. So having a unique idea gives you no advantage. What gives you that advantage is executing on those ideas. Guys, in this video, I will be telling you 5 side hustles that you can start right now itself, and this can help you easily make 30,000 rupees to 1 lakh a month. Without any further ado, let's get started. First side hustle that you can start right now itself is content creation as a service using AI. Yes guys, it is called CAS. You guys would have heard about SaaS, which is software as a service. CAS is the new thing that is coming up, which is content creation as service. See guys, let's understand the logic. There are so many brands and founders in India who are looking for visibility. At the same time, there are so many AI tools that are doing this job insanely well. But these brands do not have a lot of time to spend on these AI tools, learn all of them or execute. What you can do here is you can learn these AI tools and then sell your services to the brands who are looking for visibility. Those brands are looking for full-fledged content creation and you can help them do that. So whether it's about making reels or putting out LinkedIn posts or making newsletters, you can do all those things. And in fact, you yourself don't need to do it. All you need to do is just learn these AI tools so that these AI tools can do your job really well. Trust me guys, in today's time, there's so many good AI agents and so many good AI tools that you can use, and literally with just a click of a button, you can make Instagram reels or YouTube videos or LinkedIn posts or even newsletters. All you need to do is just learn these tools and review them. Now guys, the biggest mistake that students try to do here is that they try to do anything and everything, which means that they will watch this video right now and then tomorrow they will start reaching out to people that we do everything from, making YouTube videos to Instagram reels to video editing to writing LinkedIn posts to newsletters. And guys, that is a big no-no. That's a big blunder that I don't want you to make. I want you to pick up one thing and pick up a sector in that. Let's give you an example. Suppose you like LinkedIn because you feel it is low effort. So you pick up LinkedIn and then you pick up a sector, maybe like say real estate. Then you reach out to the people who are in real estate and then help them with whatever they need, whether it's about writing a LinkedIn post or making a newsletter or helping their connections be better to them or building relations with their connection, whatever it is. You use AI tools and start offering services. Do that to 1 or 2 people initially so that you can also learn with them. Once you have done that, build your portfolio and then reach out to more people and more brands in the real estate space, and only do LinkedIn. Do not do anything more than that. Once you start doing more, then probably you can hire more people who are good at other things and then say that, hey, along with LinkedIn I also do YouTube or I also do Instagram. That is the right way to go for it, guys. Please don't be one size fits all where you're trying to do anything and everything and then at the end you're just burnt out, tired, not wanting to do anything. Second side hustle that you can start right now is become a student problem solver. See guys, I'll be very honest with you, whether you're doing a BTech or BBA or law or engineering or any course, everybody aspires to be an entrepreneur. Obviously, that is the vibe of our country right now. But the reality is 80% of the students just waste their time trying to think of this $1 million idea like the next Airbnb or the next Facebook or the next Instagram or the next WhatsApp, and they're just thinking, talking with friends, acting cool that we are thinking about businesses, we are watching Shark Tank, we are watching YouTube videos, and tomorrow suddenly a startup idea will come. No guys, that is not going to happen. What you need to do is learn how to execute contribute. And the easiest way to do that is start with a tiny problem. Please look for problems around you, around your friend circle, around your college, around your city. Solve those problems and then learn. Eventually, then you can maybe build up a bigger startup later on. See guys, I am not one of those people who will try to show you big dreams. Yes, it is possible for people, who are studying in the top colleges, who have the best network, or whose parents are in the field of entrepreneurship. Yes, those people might be easy for them to start entrepreneurship, and some of the people who are genuinely exceptional. But for the rest of us, I'm suggesting you to please start with a tiny problem. Look at the problems around you, right? Let me give you an example. Suppose you and your friends are not liking the food in your college or in your PG or in your hostel. What you can probably do is tie up with a cloud kitchen and then, get everybody to buy a package and you take a commission of that. And if the food is good, then you can maybe expand to other colleges or other friends and all that. So I'll give you an example of one of my friends. When we joined college initially, right, in Bangalore, nobody used to give entry to single boys, so stag boys, nobody would give us entry. And we were really very frustrated. And at the same time, a lot of times, even the girls in our college wanted to party with us, like as boys. And, it was a lot of hustle that, we had to pay more and girls were free. So that was a problem. What my friend did is he went to a bar in Bangalore and he tied up with them that, hey, we are 40 of us and I'm going to throw a party. What I want you to do is give free entry to everybody. We will come inside and we will party, and obviously we'll, buy food, we'll buy alcohol, all of that. And whatever sales happen of that day from my friends, you give me a 10% of that. Bar was pretty happy that, okay, you bring your 40 people, you spend money with us, and, we'll give you 10%. Everybody was happy, so we went there. Somebody ate, somebody drank, somebody partied, and that friend made money. Third is content creation in regional languages. See guys, I'll be honest with you, content creation is also very much done and dusted. Any content idea that you have would have been majorly done and dusted, and that too on a very large scale. So whether it's travel vlogging or finance or technology or education or lifestyle vlogs, anything that you pick up, you will find tons and tons of content around it. However, one niche that is still uncaptured is regional language content. That means there are people who would love to watch content only in Punjabi or only in Telugu or only in Marathi or only in Kannada. And if you know these languages and you can pick up a niche and build content around that, trust me guys, in today's time, brands are paying really well because mass creators are not able to reach out to regional audience, which you people, if you start creating content in regional language, can do it. Trust me guys, it's a huge advantage. Obviously, initially it will take some time. Start with Instagram maybe because it's easier and faster, and then move on to YouTube. Fourth is e-commerce and dropshipping. See guys, in today's time, there's so many new age schools and colleges that have started who are teaching just e-commerce and dropshipping. What you can do is you can learn all these things for free itself. All you need to do is just go on Google and learn about what is e-commerce, what is dropshipping. See guys, so many of my students are selling shoes, selling candles, selling lamps, selling rugs, and selling all the things that they feel they can sell to their batchmates or their friends or people in their city and all that. The most important part, more than forget about the money, the most important part is they're learning how to build a brand of their own. From the Instagram page to running ads to selecting a logo to selecting a name. These are very good skills that you will not maybe realize it right now because you're doing it in a group of 2 or 3 people with your friends, doing it in a fun manner. But later on, you will realize that the whole motto of life is to do this. Is to get more sales, is to select a logo, is to, make an Instagram page, is to sell more and more and, come up with a unique product which is not being sold right now. And all these things are very much possible and they do not even require money to get started. And trust me, it's absolutely free to learn all these things on YouTube itself. Fifth and the last, I will not say it's a side hustle, but it's one of the easiest way to at least make about 15,000-20,000 rupees a month, which is to become a store manager in your city. See guys, in today's time, whichever city you are in, there's so many brands that are coming up and those brands need people to take care of the stores. Some of them are doing it full time and some of them are doing it part time. Obviously, if you're in college, you will not be able to do full time, but you can do it part time, and for part time, you can get money. So let me give you an example. Suppose you're in Bangalore and there is this new cafe that has come up, or there is this new Lenskart store that has come up. You can go to the Lenskart store and say that, hey, I am free from 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. and every day I can come for 4 hours. How much money can you pay me? And so many of my students have, take their laptops and go to the store. Whenever a customer comes, they attend the customer really well and half of the time they're on the laptop doing something else. But they're making 15,000-20,000 rupees a month just for lending their time. Obviously, you will say that, Kavach, what are we really learning? You are learning sales, you are learning customer relationship, which is important. And once you learn that, you can probably diverge into something else. But that's the easy way to start, 15,000-20,000 rupees a month, so that, whatever that extra expenditure that you want to do, whether it's going out with your friends or traveling somewhere, that much is taken care of. See guys, this concept in abroad is there a lot. You would see people in abroad doing jobs at petrol pumps or cafes and restaurants and all of those things, but in India we still feel shy कि अरे दुकान पे जाके बैठ रहे हैं, क्या करेंगे, क्या मिलेगा. But guys, just keep your ego aside and just start with these side hustles. Maybe your friends laugh at you initially, or they find you stupid and they're like क्या आ गया बेचने and all that. But trust me, after a while it will pay you really well, and you will start getting that value and validation that you need from your friends and family members, and at the end of the day you are helping your parents save money more than anything else. So yes guys, that's about it for this particular video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any doubts, question, queries. Along with that guys, please share this video as much as possible with your friends and family members. I'll see you all with another video. Take care guys, bye bye.